Monsoons have arrived in Mumbai, and you know what this calls for. Garma Garam Bhajia it is, yes. On Food Camaraderie this week, we present to you recipes of the Kanda and the Batata Bhajia. Let's make this a bit simpler for our friends in Delhi and the north. These are also known as aloo or pyaz ke pakode. Hope you enjoy watching these recipes. Let's look at how to prepare the Kanda Bhajiyas first. For this, we've taken 500 grams onions. Cut these into julienne strips. Place these in a separate bowl. And crush these for the strips to separate well. Then add 1 cup gram flour, that is besan. Salt to taste, half to 1 teaspoon should do. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon carom seeds, that is ajwain, half teaspoon cumin seed powder, that is jeera powder, half teaspoon asafoetida, and 10 very finely chopped green chilies. First, use a spoon or spatula to mix all of this. Then crush the mixture with your hand. This will help the onions release water and blend well with the flour and rest of the ingredients. Add another half cup gram flour here. Sprinkle some water, ensure it is not more than 1 tablespoon. And give this a good mix with your hand again. To fry the bhajiyas, on a medium to high flame, heat oil in deep frying pan or kadai. Slowly start dropping small portions of the onion batter mix in the hot oil. Fry until the bhajiyas turn brown. Strain the oil well when removing these from the pan. For bhajiyas to remain crispy for longer, place them on a steel rack first. Now let's look at how to prepare the batata bhajiyas. Peel 500 grams potatoes. Using any slicer, make thin slices. In a separate bowl, take 1.5 cup gram flour. Add salt to taste, we've used 1 teaspoon here. Then add half teaspoon asafoetida and 1 tablespoon mixed dry herbs or oregano, which is optional. Mix these before adding water. Then start adding a little more than a half cup water in parts and keep mixing until the mixture turns into a thickish batter. Place the potato slices in the batter and mix well. To fry the bhajias, on medium to high flame heat oil in a deep frying pan or kadai. Slowly start dropping the batter coated potato slices in the hot oil. Fry until the bhajias turn golden brown. Strain the oil well at the time of removing the bhajias from the kadai. Enjoy garma garam bhajias with hot tea or coffee. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Food Camaraderie channel if you haven't already, and also do like and share our videos.